Hello guys, good afternoon. So we're playing Ultimate Fire Link right now. So that's the Ultimate Fire Link. So tignan natin kung maswerte tayo guys. So nilagay natin is $50. So nagbet tayo ng 150. Tignan natin kung hanggang kailan yung $50 natin guys. Let's see, Fire Link. Hoping we can get a bonus. Let's see, come on. Yes, we got the bonus. Yes guys, we got the bonus. So kailangan natin. Ooh, you see that guys? So kailangan natin yung open. Kailangan natin i-open yung nasa taas. Farling. Farling. Uy. Yes, na-open natin. Farling. We need a minor. So, kailangan natin ng... Yes, 3 na lang guys para makuha natin yung sa itaas guys. Come on, Farling. Uy. Come on. One more. Do it. Do it. Ah. Hindi tayo binigyan, guys. Magkano kayong panalo natin? Not bad. So far, yan. Yan ang panalo natin. Oh, diba? Yeah. 77. So, yung pera natin tumubo guys. So, 39.85. Yes. Thank you for... Oh, diba? So, yung $50 natin is tumubo. So, let's do it. Thank you, Firelink Ultimate. So, yung major omega niya guys, so tignan nyo yung mega niya is 12,000, yung major is 2,000, yung minor is 200, mini is 60. So, tignan natin kung makakuha pa tayo ulit ng bonus. Diba? Yung pera natin naging 115. It was 150 lang yan. So, tumubo yung pera natin guys. Let's more. Thank you, Farling. Come on, more Farling. 3 more. Uy, we need 4 of those guys. Come on. Nakabonus ko, Maria. 17 naman pigatag. 2 more. 77 ang gihatag. Pero 50 man ang gibutang diha. Tanaw na to. 77 man ang gihatag. So, come on. Mag-stop tayo ng $100. At least tumubo yung pera natin naging double. Diba? So, 100. Alright, we're gonna cash out. We double our money. I just got 1 bonus.
Oh, nice.
But I want more. One more. I don't think so. So last one. And that's it. At least my $50 was double. So right, cash out. Good luck to you, sir. I was wishing that just the minor. Yeah. Thank you. Bye-bye. Tara, Maria. Alright. Maghanap naman tayo ng ibang maano guys. So yung $50 natin is tumubo. So yung $50 natin is naging 100. So di ba may profit tayo ng $50. So maghanap naman tayo ng machine na pwede natin paglaruan na hindi pa natin nalaro. Ito kaya, Maria, ito i-try natin ito guys. Mag-play tayo nito. Anong tawag nito? It's a Mighty Diner. Mighty Miner pala. So, try natin si Mighty Miner. Pero mindot biya tuwang Firelink Maria. Tek, we're playing Mighty Miner, guys. Tignan natin kung makakabatay ng bonus nito. Oh. I don't know how to play tok. Oh, 5 of kind na naman. Look, $12 ang binigay niyan. 12 of kind. Tignan nyo guys. 5 of kind. $5 ang binigay. Thank you, Mighty. Mighty Diner yan, guys. So, dapat 3 ganyang bonus. Oh, diba? Maya pa. $12. Gani ke. Dating. Nanaw Maria. Na gani na. May gani wa siya kita. Oh, one security you detect. Uy, give me bonus. Kinahanglan siya magsunod diri straight. First reel to second reel. Ganina $4 ang gift, $12. Uy! Nasad. Igabot og 90 ato ni ko ni cash out. Wala man gyud ni nang hatag og bonus ang buhang. Unya. Umagyud ta nakaduwag bonus ani. Asa man? Ugma puhon? Ugma pa ni mga hatag. Unsa man ni, ay, panghatag sa dog bonus, ay. Kaman, asa naman ni si bonus, uy, sige ra siya, huwag ka nang kuhan. Ikabot og $80 mo, undang na ko, kay kalkansi tani na. Wala dyan na ako ang bonus, minatay. Ay! May paghihon mo. Lisod kay siya, kay mo tiyug-tiyug, hinay kay sanan siya, tanawa, good. Oo! Ana ra siya. Ato lagi bala ra kita. Kato hapit nung Tato Maria. Hapit lang. Come on, let's go guys. We're gonna stop in here. The eat our $20. Alright. Mighty Cash, you're so mean. Bye. Mighty Diner.